How to delete all data in line. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all the data in line. To delete all data in line including chat history and media, you can follow these steps. First of all, open your Line application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. In this home page, at the top right, you will be able to see the settings or the gear icon. Tap on it and this will open up the settings menu. Now in the settings menu, here scroll down to find general section and under it, you will locate the chats option. Once you locate it, tap on it and now here you will need to scroll down all the way. At the bottom, you will be able to locate delete data option. Simply tap on this delete data and now here you will be able to see delete all data option. Tap on it. And now tap on this delete option from the pop-up in order to confirm. After that, you will see you have successfully deleted all the data from your Line account. On the same page, you'll also be able to clear the cache and delete data by chat. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively delete all data in Line. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.